So we were learning about contingent annuity. On happening of certain event, they are going to pay the amount. Okay. So if they are paying pension for a retired employee, now they will pay this amount until the person dies. Now in the old age, the person will not be able to do enough work, or they will not be able to do hard work. So that is why he will save the amount when he is young, and that amount, whatever he has saved, that amount will be given to him as pension whenever he is old, right? That pension will be paid until the death of the pensioner. Okay, so the contingent event, you cannot say, right, when the person will die. So contingent event is that which will happen or not happen. So that is contingent annuity. Next is perpetual annuity. Here, the annuity which is payable indefinitely forever. Okay, indefinitely forever without a break if they pay. If there is a rich kid who is getting money throughout his life, that will become perpetual annuity. Now here they have given as award of Nobel Prize. The Nobel Prize winners will get the fund, some amount they will get throughout their life once they have received Nobel Prize. Okay, so forever, now this Nobel Prize will be there forever, right? Once the person is gone, you will not live out. Now even you will even remember all the Nobel Prize winners, Mother Teresa, Einstein. So all of them would have they would be remembered always and every time. So that is known as perpetual annuity. So we were learning about perpetual annuity. So we understood that forever they will be giving the prize, or they'll be making sure that they are remembered. Then immediate annuity. An annuity, the payment of which is enforced immediately, is called immediate annuity. You pay rent every month, immediately you pay the amount. So that is known as immediate annuity. Okay, so rent payable on building immediately after entering to the rent agreement. So if you sign the rent agreement, every month in the beginning of the month you'll be paying the rent. So that is immediate annuity. Next, deferred annuity. Deferred annuity means the payment will be done later. The payment will be done after fulfillment of certain conditions or after certain period of time. Now take example, fixed deposit. Now fixed deposit, you would have kept the money for 1 year. So after 1 year only you can take the money back. So what is the condition? Condition is after 1 year you can take the money. So that will be deferred annuity. Next, annuity due. So annuity due is a series of equal annual payments or receipts starting at beginning of each period. Like let's take for example, you are hiring or you are taking a furniture on rent. Now you have a lot of furnitures which can be taken on rent, right? So if you are taking furniture on rent, you will have to pay the rent every year. That is annuity due. For usage of one whole month, you have to pay the rent amount in the next month starting. So that will be the annuity due. So these are the types of annuities which you will see, which will be used by the people. Now next, amount of annuity immediate. Now this is a formula which will be used to calculate the amount at the end of annuity period. Now understand, in annuity you can calculate it in two types: in the beginning of the year, in the end of the year. Now if it is end of the year, at that point of time you'll use this formula: A is equal to A by I into 1 plus I to the power n. minus 1. Okay, if annuity period is less than a year, the interest rate and the number of years have to be revised accordingly. So this will be used for solving the problem. If it is at the beginning of the year, then we will be using this formula where it is same as the previous one, but we are multiplying it with 1 plus I. Okay, so if it is at the end of the period, we use this formula. If it is beginning of the period, we use this formula. Okay, and next thing is present value of annuity. Now I told you, now if you are paying, or now if you are immediately getting the value, that will be the present value, and the present value is the sum of annuity. That is, the sum is the amount, a is the sum, and interest is I, which is compounded, and here we use compound interest. So as on today, if I want to find the value of the annuity, I'll have to use this formula, a by I into 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus I to the power n. So that will be the present value of annuity. And then present value of perpetual annuity. Perpetual is forever, for an indefinite period. Okay, forever, if they are paying the annuity, that will be perpetual annuity. At that time, annuity amount divided by I will be the perpetual annuity. Okay, so that is present value of annuity, present value of perpetual annuity. Okay, is it clear? So this completes your theory of annuity, and we are left out with one concept under this chapter, that is the discount, which we will be doing it in the tomorrow's class. Okay, so tomorrow we will be learning about discount and we'll be solving problems under discount. Is it clear? Any doubts until here with annuity? Annuity, they can ask you section A, that is 2 marks question, and 5 marks question. So you better know. And your syllabus only covers theory part of annuity. Okay, that is what it says. It doesn't say with the problem.